everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious pork curry. I have a 2.5 pound pork tenderloin. This is boneless, skinless. I'm going to cut into small pieces and we're going to wash it with cold water. I cut into nice bite-sized pieces and washed and put it into a strainer so that it can drain the water. To make it tasty and delicious curry, I made a smooth paste of onion, fresh tomato, ginger, garlic and green chili, water, olive oil for tadka, cumin seed, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, Kashmiri mirch and salt. Please check it out the description for the ingredient list. And let's start making our delicious pork curry. Get a pot, start gas, add olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera. Give like 10 seconds, this is good enough. Add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Mix it. Cook ginger, garlic and green chili paste for 20 seconds. We need that raw garlicky flavor to get cooked. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. Now we're going to cook our tadka really well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Onion is nicely cooked. You can see there is no more moisture, it starts to ooze out the oil. That's a good indication tadka is fully cooked. Now I'll add tomato puree. Mix it well. Keep mixing and cook it really well. After adding tomato puree, we cooked it really well, and this is a good indication. If you leave the tadka like this, if the oil starts to ooze out just like this and there is no more moisture, that means your tadka is fully cooked. So now I'll bring all the spices, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder, salt, Kashmiri mirch, turmeric powder and mix it well. Keep mixing and cook masala along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices with the tadka for 1 minute. I'll bring pork. Mix it well. Once tadka is nicely combined with the meat, we're going to cook for 10 minutes with open lid. So keep it moving so it won't get burned at the bottom. Cooking meat for 10 minutes. And this is how it looks. Very tasty. Add water. Mix it well. After mixing it well, I'll add 1 cup more water. So altogether 2 cups. If you want running gravy, you always can add more water. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid, cook it for 15 minutes and occasionally stir it so it won't get burned at the bottom. On medium heat, cooking for 15 minutes, I'm going to open the lid. I did open it twice and I stirred it so it won't get burned at the bottom. And if we check our meat, and meat nicely cut through. So meat is fully cooked. This is very super delicious pork curry. It doesn't take that long to cook. Within 25 minutes, it's all ready. Now I'm going to bring kasuri methi. Mix it well. Once kasuri methi is nicely combined, we added 2 cups water, and this is the perfect gravy. This is what I was looking for. As I mentioned earlier, you always can adjust the gravy. After adding the kasuri methi, mixing it well, bring your gas to simmer and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes on the simmer. The pork curry is all done. I'm going to turn off the gas. Our tasty and delicious pork curry is all ready. So please try this pork curry and you're going to like it, and you serve with the rice flour, roti, chapati, paratha, naan, fulka. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.